Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer money from First Merchants Bank to an external bank account. If you don't have a First Merchants Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $50 MasterCard reward when you open a personal checking account or auto loan. However, if you already have an account, open the website firstmerchants.com, then sign in with your login ID. Now, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Pay and Transfer tab. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Make an External Transfer. Click on Make an External Transfer. On this page, you will see some information when getting started with external transfers. To proceed, click on Continue. Now, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then select the From and To accounts. If you haven't added an external account, click on Add External Account and follow the on-screen instructions on how to add. Also select if this transfer is one-time or recurring. After that, click on Continue. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Make Transfer. That's how you transfer money from First Merchants Bank to an external bank account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.